Hello, sixth grade. We're still working with the poem If, written by Rudyard Kipling. We've already read the whole poem. Today we're just going to focus on the first stanza. So it looks like a paragraph, but when we're talking about poems, they're called stanzas. So I'm going to read while you follow along, and then we're going to talk about what's in our lesson. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you could trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired of waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies or being hated. Don't give way to hating. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Okay, that is our first stanza. So we're going to look at what's in our lesson. So we're paying attention to the line that says, if you could trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, what does that mean? So what does it mean to make allowance for their doubting too? When people doubt you, you should not ignore it. You should understand that some people will doubt you and you shouldn't hold it against them. That's human nature. We all have doubts. So they're just saying that you shouldn't ignore it. You should understand that some people are not going to always believe in you. And sometimes you're your own cheerleader. And that's how it is in life. So you might be the only supporter in something that you want to do. Okay, the next one, it says, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. So what does he mean when he wrote, don't deal in lies? What does this mean? It means just because somebody else is doing it does not mean you have to do it as well. So that means you do not take part in telling lies. Okay, our next one is the line, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. So what does he mean by the term give way? It means you don't give in. Just because people are around you, and sometimes it's tempting to stoop to other people's their ways, what they're doing. They're just saying, just stay true to yourself and don't give in. Don't give up. So that will conclude today's lesson. Make sure you write out your sentences and submit this lesson. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember you should be reading chapter 15.